Step into a world where imagination knows no bounds and realism meets fantasy. Meet the groundbreaking AI art generator, Leonardo AI, and be mesmerized by its jaw-dropping lifelike creations that will leave you questioning what's real and what's not. But that's not all. With many unique features like Dream Shaper version 7, Absolute Reality version 1.6, and the power to train your models, Leonardo AI sets itself apart as the go-to platform for vibrant, captivating art that sparks your creative fire. Are you ready to journey into the mesmerizing world of AI-generated art? Join us on AI Techscape as we explore the incredible wonders of Leonardo AI. When it comes to pushing the boundaries of realism, MidJourney stands out as a true front-runner. Its AI-generated images are so lifelike that they can leave anyone questioning if they are the work of an artist or an AI. However, if your heart craves vibrant, captivating art that sparks the imagination, look no further than Leonardo AI. One of the best things about Leonardo AI is that it offers a free sign-up option with a daily quota of tokens. This means you can generate a specific amount of images daily without worrying about paying. But for those who want even more creative freedom and tokens, they also offer a paid subscription with exclusive premium features. What sets Leonardo AI apart is the addition of some truly unique features. They've introduced new models such as Dream Shaper version 7, the 3D animation style model, and the Absolute Reality version 1.6, all exclusively available to Leonardo users. It's like having a treasure trove of custom models at your fingertips. Aside from this, Leonardo is also packed with many additional tools and features, including ControlNet, tiling options, and image prompting. Plus, it's not just limited to AI art generation. You can create textures for your 3D images and even use the canvas features that takes your artistic experience to another level. But here's the real cherry on top. Leonardo AI allows you to further unleash your creativity by letting you train your own models. Imagine having a specific artistic style in mind. Simply upload a whole lot of photos reflecting that style, train a model with them, and voila! You'll be generating more images that capture that exact essence you envision. Moving on to their AI art generator, Leonardo has truly taken things up a notch with an array of exciting new features that set it apart from other AI art generators in the market. One standout addition is the integration of Stable Diffusion XL 0.9, a model that's exclusive to only a few third-party platforms. While it might currently appear grayed out when using their fine-tuned models alongside Prompt Magic V3 Beta and Alchemy, rest assured that behind the scenes, Leonardo's custom pipeline is harnessing the power of Stable Diffusion XL. Now, to achieve the best profile settings and outcomes, let's delve into the specifics. On the left sidebar, make sure to activate Prompt Magic V3 Beta with a strength setting of 0.55 and enable Alchemy while keeping RAW mode off. As for input dimensions, you have two recommended options, 1360 by 768 or 1024 by 768, as suggested by the Leonardo team. Leave the rest unchanged and keep the top part set on dynamic. Now, here's the exciting part. You can actually achieve incredible and creative images with shorter prompts using these new features. However, if you desire more intricate and detailed artwork, longer prompts are the way to go, allowing you to get specific about the image you envision. For inspiration and to witness the full potential of these models, head straight to Leonardo's front page. There, you'll find a jaw-dropping collection of images that users have generated, showcasing the prompts that led to their captivating creations. Leonardo is brimming with impressive artwork right now, and exploring the diverse range of images will surely spark your own imagination. Moreover, just like MidJourney, you'll be thrilled to know that Leonardo offers a fantastic pan feature that adds an extra layer of dynamism to your images. Here's an exciting experiment you can try. Either test prompts of your own design or give this founder-recommended prompt a go. A vibrant, cinematic photo of a female adventurer in the jungle. Octane render, high quality. Once you've set the wheels in motion, head over to the Edit in Canvas button. Now comes the magic. Scroll the box slightly to overlap the image and plug in the same prompt but without the female adventurer part. Prepare to be amazed as Leonardo works its wonders, adding a captivating pan effect to the image. And yes, that's right, it generates two variations that continue the scene seamlessly. With this innovative feature, Leonardo gives the freedom to explore and expand your artistic horizons like never before. The ability to create dynamic panoramas just adds that extra touch of creativity to your AI-generated artwork. Moving along, let's embark on a thrilling artistic adventure using Leonardo's absolute reality model. With a thriving Facebook community that showcases captivating images, we're in for a treat. For this model, we'll stick to the recommended prompt from the Leonardo team: a beautiful woman with a jellyfish on her head, deep ocean lighting. With the setting unchanged, go ahead and click generate and witness the magic unfold as Leonardo brings this captivating scene to life. Now onto another exciting model, the 3D animation style. It's one of the newer fine-tuned models with a dynamic pipeline that promises fantastic results. You can test its prowess with the prompt suggested by the founders: vibrant cinematic photo of a female adventurer exploring an alien jungle, strange plants, and colorful Rick and Morty style. Just pop in the prompt and watch in awe as Leonardo works its wondrous creative magic. It's worth mentioning that when you use Leonardo's models with version 3 beta, alchemy, and prompt magic, you're actually tapping into the power of SDXL. Additionally, the Leonardo team has a unique new feature in the works that enables you to create photorealistic images. While MidJourney is already impressive in the photorealism department, Leonardo is about to unveil a whole new level of photorealism. Meanwhile, some of the incredible features in Leonardo, such as Alchemy and Prompt Magic version 3, are part of the Pro subscription. However, here's the fantastic part: Leonardo is offering a free trial right now, allowing you to test out these premium features without any charge or the need to enter credit card information. It's the perfect opportunity to explore the full potential of Alchemy and version 3 beta entirely for free. When you sign up, you may see a join the waitlist message, but fear not, access to Leonardo is granted surprisingly quickly. In most cases, you'll gain entry within an hour or even less after joining the waitlist. However, if you haven't received a response within an hour or so, don't worry, check your spam folder. Some users have reported finding Leonardo's acceptance emails there, so be sure to keep an eye on your spam folder just in case. Once you're in, Leonardo becomes an invaluable addition to your AI art toolbox. Even after your free trial, you'll still receive a daily allocation of tokens for non-premium features. The combination of MidJourney and Leonardo.ai gives you virtually limitless possibilities to generate any image your imagination can conjure. Whether you're an experienced artist or just beginning to explore the world of AI-generated art, Leonardo AI promises a fulfilling and enchanting journey. It is an all-in-one powerhouse, and its immense capabilities will surely leave you inspired and coming back for more. So if you seek to transcend reality and embrace the boundless realm of artistic expression, Leonardo AI is your ultimate companion on this creative adventure. Thank you for joining us in this exciting AI art journey. If you enjoyed exploring Leonardo AI, make sure to hit subscribe and turn on the notification for more incredible AI Techscape content. We want to see your AI art creations and hear about your experiences. Share them in the comments below. Stay inspired by the limitless possibilities of AI art and keep coming back to AI Techscape for more fascinating updates. Until next time, keep creating and unleashing your creativity.